Here, friends, today we're going to draw a Christmas penguin.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need a marker, some paper, and
something to color with.
Something to
No,
color with.
Color with.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw the beak to our penguin. I'm going to draw a little U shape or a V right in the middle of my paper. Good job. Then we can connect the top with a little curve. There's our beak. Now let's draw the eyes, and we're going to draw them a little different than we usually do. Let's draw ovals. I'm going to draw an oval like this, and I'm going to draw another oval on the left side like that. Oh, those are huge eyes. I like them. Now it's okay that our drawings look a little different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is
to have fun.
To have fun and to
practice.
Ready to just keep going?
Yeah.
Now let's draw a small circle in the top right of each oval. This is for the highlight to make our eyes look shiny. We're going to color in the big oval but leave the little circles white. Next, we're going to draw the outside of each eye. I'm going to start right here. We're going to draw another oval that goes around. See how it's touching on the inside of the eye, but then there's more space on the outside. Yeah, you did it. Now let's repeat that same thing on the left side, but the opposite. So we're going to start here, go around. This is going to kind of make our penguin look like he's cross-eyed. Good job. Now let's draw the body to our penguin. I'm going to start right here on the left side, and I'm going to start up at the top of the eye, so right in line with the top. Then I'm going to draw the body. It's going to come down like this, around, and then back up on the other side. Penguin's going to have a short body. And then around to the other side and up. Yeah! Now we can draw the hat. Let's draw a Christmas hat or a winter hat on top of his head. Let's connect the top like this, and I'm drawing a curved line that goes over the top of his eyes. Then we're going to draw the bottom part of his hat. We're going to start here, draw a curve that comes out and starts coming up like that. And we could do the same thing on the other side. Start below and then curve up. All right, and then up here, we're going to draw a line that connects all the way over to the other side. He's looking so awesome. Now, right in the middle, let's draw a pom-pom. We're going to draw a circle right in the middle above his hat. Now we can connect. Then let's connect. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and connects down to the bottom part of the hat and over here on the other side also. I love your hat so much, man. That's the cutest hat ever. Okay, now let's draw a scarf. We're going to draw two lines that curve underneath his eyes. So I'm going to draw another one that's right underneath. This is going around his neck. And one below it. And then let's draw a little rectangle. So this is the part of his scarf that's hanging down. So down, over, and back up. Now on his face and also his belly is going to be white. So let's draw another line that comes right down on the side of his head. And we'll do another one over here on this side also. Then we're going to imagine those lines going behind the scarf and coming out the bottom. We're going to do the same thing over here. Imagine that line going underneath the scarf and coming out the bottom. So watch me. I'm going to draw a line that comes under like this. Now I'm going to use overlapping. I'm going to imagine it going behind this part too, coming up and connecting. So on yours is a lot bigger. You could just come down underneath and not use any overlapping on that part.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Connect over. All right, now that's his belly. Let's draw his little flippers. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out and then back in. He's got small little flippers. I'm going to do another one over here on this side also. Your penguin is my favorite. What are we missing?
His feet.
Yeah, his feet. Let's draw. Watch this. I'm going to draw two little curves that come out over here on this side. Yep, and then another one. And then we're going to draw an M, the letter M, but with curvy lines. This is for his little toes. Look at that. Crazy little M. All right, now let's repeat that one more time. We're going to do it over here for his second foot. Two lines that come out and then connect them with a curvy M. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our Christmas penguins, but we're not completely done, right?
Yeah.
What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, it's going to look so much better colored in. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, give me 5 men. You did it. You finished coloring your penguin. He looks so much better colored in. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
I also added Christmas lights behind my penguin, but you could add whatever you want in the background. You could add presents or snowflakes. And we have a lesson that's all about drawing Christmas lights. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll leave a link below this video where you can check it out.
We hope you have fun drawing your Christmas penguin.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!